Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a fiery showdown between two of the most popular fire pits on the market, the Solo Stove Yukon and the Breeo X Series. Let's kick things off with the Solo Stove Yukon. This bad boy is built for a huge backyard fire experience, and it's known for its smokeless technology, which is perfect if you want to enjoy a cozy night without the smoke in your face. The 30-inch diameter makes it perfect for big gatherings. Next up, the Breeo X Series. This one's not just a fire pit, it's a wood-fired cooking machine. With its patented X airflow system, it provides a super efficient burn, and the extra-large cooking surface makes it ideal for grilling. It's perfect if you want to enjoy your fire while cooking up some amazing meals outdoors. Okay, now let's talk about the differences between these two. The Solo Stove Yukon is the ultimate smokeless fire pit for large gatherings. The Breeo X Series, however, takes it up a notch with its cooking capability and durability for a true outdoor experience. So, whether you're looking for a clean smoke-free fire or a versatile cooking fire pit, both have something special to offer. Now, let's talk price. The Solo Stove Yukon typically goes for around $600 to $800, while the Breeo X Series starts at around $1,200 for the basic model. While the Breeo X Series is pricier, it's built for those who want a multi-purpose outdoor fire pit. So, which one is the winner? If you're looking for an easy-to-use, smokeless experience and don't need to cook on it, the Solo Stove Yukon is a great option. But if you want something that doubles as a grill and is designed to last for the long haul, then the Breeo X Series might be your perfect match. Which fire pit is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below which fire pit you'd go for. And hey, if you're ready to make your backyard the ultimate hangout spot, check the links in the description to grab one of these amazing fire pits. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more epic comparisons. Catch you in the next video.